But I don't know, beloved fathers and clergy, right? I don't think it's everyone understand what is happening. I know that Satan talks to me in my mind. I know that God talks to me in my mind. And I can differentiate now who is who. It's not like, my mind tells me something, I just run and do it. I have to know who is giving the order. And when I examine it and find out, say, it is God's word. I operate, but if I find out, say, Satan operating, I don't deal with that. I can't understand why a priest can't look into themselves and know sometimes when Satan is operating within them. And ease back, because if I am doing something and it's not God instructing me, and if I find out that it's not God instructing me, I would want to stop immediately and do the things that God now instructing me to do. But I don't see that coming out of people. They have a continuous fight. And I don't know if Holy Trinity is running nice now. Because I know that they want to be here, and the priest who was sent here from Ethiopia to look after us. I hope he's having a good nice time doing his work and not having a problem with them. Uncle, if you can't tell me about that guy, he's there all the time. But I'm not really concerned about them, you know. You just want the church to just move on. That is what our concern is, because we don't know fight, because if I, like I said, if I fight, it's not God's will for me to get involved in that, so I'm not going to do that. I would probably say something out of my mouth that I one could understand, say, no, that's wrong, all this stuff, but the fighting. So I'm glad to up here, you know, St. Gabriel branch, it kind of just make things just move in an umbilical way, you know. So I'm happy to know that Father is still selling neighbors among us, so it can work and get a church, you know what I mean, and have it running nicely and everything. But I don't know how long I'm going to last for in the church, because like I said, I wait for tribulation coming down and blind, deaf, you know what I mean. They don't really stop me from doing what I want, but I know that if I get something else, you know, so I'm just praying that nothing else come up on me. But I'm happy and alright otherwise from that, beloved.